Yes, student, today we're going to learn how to construct a quadrilateral in which three sides, the measurement of three sides and two included angle, and two angles are there which are included between these two sides are given. So let us take an example. Construct quadrilateral DEAR in which DE is equal to 4 centimeter. Let us draw the rough sketch. Roughly, I have drawn a quadrilateral. Let me start the name from the base DEAR. The value of the measurement of DE is given 4 centimeter. EA is given 5 centimeter. AR is given 4.5 centimeter. And angle E, this angle is given 60 degree. Angle A is given 90 degree. So let us start. Following the rough sketch, we're going to start the construction. So first of all we're going to draw the base, that is DE, and its measurement is given how much? It is 4 centimeter. So first of all we're going to draw a line which is of length 4 centimeter. This is DE, it is 4 centimeter. Then angle E is given 60 degree. So taking the compass, we can draw the angle of 60 degree. What you have to do, you have to take the compass, take a little measurement in it, just open it, keep it on the point E and draw an arc. Draw a arc. Now on this arc, we get the point over here, make a cut. So this cut is showing the angle of 60 degree. So join it with the point E and produce it, and the measurement of EA is given 5 centimeter. So let us take the measurement of 5 centimeter also in it. So we're going to take the measurement of 5 centimeter in it. So this way we can, this is 5 centimeter. We get the point, this is 60 degree. We get the point A, it is 5 centimeter. Now at angle A, what is the measurement given? 90 degree. So again we have to use the compass. We're going to draw the angle of 90 degree, and we know how to draw the angle of 90 degree. You have to take the compass, take a little measurement in it, keep the compass at point A, and what you have to do, you have to draw an arc. You have to draw an arc like this. Then 60 degree cut, then a cut of 120 degree, then for 90 degree make a cut in the front, keeping the compass at 120 degree of angle, make a cut. You will get the point, just join it, this will be the angle of 90 degree. The measurement of AR is given 4.5. so let us mark the measurement. It is the point R. Here is the point R. It is 4.5 centimeter, and this is an angle of 90 degree. Now we have the point R and D. So what we have to do, we have to join both the points. We're going to join these two points. So now we have to join these two points. So this way we can draw the quadrilateral in which three sides and two included angles are given. Thank you.